Hi there, this side Sumit, and today I want to talk about something simple but powerful, asking question. Many people feel shy or scared to ask a question because they think it will make them look weak. But the truth is opposite. Asking question actually makes you stronger. When we ask a question, we open the door to new knowledge. We learn something we didn't know before. Every great idea in the world started with a question like why or how can this be better. If we stop asking, we stop growing. So never be afraid to raise your hand or speak up. A question is not just sign of confusion, it's a sign of courage. Remember, the smarter people in the world are not the ones who know everything. They are ones who never stop asking. So that's all. Thank you for listening me. Bye bye.